In the peaceful night sky, the biggest and most distant object we can see with just our eyes is the Andromeda galaxy. Its full width in the sky is actually as wide as 7 full moons. But a galaxy isn't just one twinkling star. The Andromeda galaxy is a massive system made up of a staggering 1 trillion dazzling stars. These stars, which vary in brightness, all come together to form this huge celestial system. It's like an island of starlight in the universe, drifting in the dark ocean of space. If you've ever tried counting stars as a kid, you know that you can only see about 6,000 with your bare eyes on a clear night, and over 99% of those stars are actually inside our own Milky Way galaxy. The Andromeda galaxy, however, is one of the very few objects outside our Milky Way that humans can see without a telescope. Centuries ago, astronomers noticed an oval-shaped patch of light in the night sky, in the direction of the Andromeda constellation. For a long time, they mistakenly thought it was just a cloud of gas and dust, a nebula, inside our own galaxy. It wasn't until 1923 that the famous astronomer Edwin Hubble discovered that this little patch of light was actually another galaxy, outside our Milky Way. This amazing discovery made people realize that galaxies are common throughout the universe, and that our own Milky Way is just one ordinary galaxy among countless others. The closest large galaxy outside our own is indeed the Andromeda galaxy, but it's an almost unimaginable 2.5 million light-years away from us. This means that the Andromeda galaxy you see right now is actually how it looked over 2 million years ago. And even with perfect viewing conditions, what you see with your naked eye is still just a blurry, faint patch of light in the center. So to truly see the Andromeda galaxy clearly, you can only do so with a telescope. From 2010 to 2013, the Hubble Space Telescope took this incredible photo, the clearest image of the Andromeda galaxy ever captured. Even though it's just a small section of the galaxy, if we keep zooming in, you can see countless tiny, dense points of light. Each one of them is a star, with its own unique brightness. In the outer regions of the Andromeda galaxy, you can see huge clouds of gas and dust and lots of young stars glowing with blue light. As you move closer and closer to the core, you'll notice the stars get more and more densely packed, almost like a wild, dazzling party of stars. This is why the centers of most galaxies appear incredibly bright. However, at the very center of the Andromeda galaxy, there's a supermassive black hole with a mass about 100 million times that of our Sun. It essentially guides the orbital motion of all the stars in the entire galaxy. According to data from the Spitzer Space Telescope, the Andromeda galaxy contains about 1 trillion stars. So, when you look at it as a whole, it has a magnificent spiral structure, shaped like a flat pancake. Its diameter stretches for 220,000 light-years, which is about twice the size of our Milky Way. However, the gravitational pull between these two galaxies is so strong that it's actually overcoming the universe's expansion, which usually makes galaxies move apart. That's why the Andromeda galaxy is currently rushing towards us at a speed of 110 kilometers per second. It's rushing towards us. This means that in about 4 billion years, our Milky Way galaxy will collide with the Andromeda galaxy. When that happens, our Milky Way will gradually be absorbed and merge with it to form a brand new, much larger galaxy. But we really don't need to worry about this right now. After all, the Andromeda galaxy is currently just a faint, unassuming patch of light in Earth's night sky.